Go. Hello, viewers of the Vampire Revel channel. Subscribe to me, and I shall tell you if we will pay you if you have suffered from any of the following: broken arm, broken leg, broken other arm, broken other leg, automail arm, automail leg, zits, blackheads, whiteheads, blue heads, unicorn heads, horn in butt, horn in head, horn in other head, run over by car, run over by truck, clumsiness, klutziness, just falls down a lot, just falls down a lot more, bites a lot, gets bitten a lot, creepy Germain, salon. That's what we suffer from. We suffer from a lot more. Such as, wears hoodies a lot, has unbelievably big balls, croquet balls. It's a miracle how we withstand such torture. Do not ask me, but ask my cameraman, for he suffers from hand herpes. Seriously, stop the video.